And today we're going to cover transitions. Here I have two animation clips in After Effects, a bright pink one and a light pink one. And what I want to do is have it fade from one to the other. So I'm going to make sure they overlap just enough, otherwise you end up getting black. There are two ways to do it. You can open up by clicking on this little arrow, and yes, there are hotkeys, you can look those up later on. You can go to opacity and animate the top one on and off. But I'm going to show you a different area to do transitions today, and they're in the effects and presets. So under Window, Effects and Presets, you can find this area, all sorts of fun things in here, some that are really cheesy. Let's go for the cheese. So transition, I'm going to find the Jaws effect to get that out of our system. Any of these things here, you can just click and drag on top of the top one. You can kind of see it there, see it? And you'll get this window up here, the effects controls. Normally yours will probably show up next to the project. I have my tabs separated. You can move these things around. Okay, so nothing's happening yet because we need to animate it. So I'm going to click on the stopwatch. Now the way this works is if you click it on, anytime you change the settings, it will set a keyframe. If you click it off, that does not set another keyframe. That erases all the keyframes you just set. So clicking it on, here at the end, I'm going to make it 100%. Oh, see the cheese right there. I'm going to go back to about there and make it 0. And so it set a keyframe, and I'm going to drag through, and we have that in there. And of course, there's all sorts of different fun things you can do. You can change these. I'm not setting a keyframe, so this is overall changing it, width, height, waves. So that's actually kind of fun. And adjust those. So the hotkey, the one hotkey I will tell you, is if I hit U, it's an umbrella, that goes to, or Uber, which was a word before the company that you call on your app on your phone. So that opens up everything that's been animated. So you can click and drag these and adjust timing as well. Okay, so we've turned that cheese into something fun. So it goes from our bright pink to our light pink. There we go. Let's say we've tested this, it's perfect. That's the timing we want. So that's transitions. And then now we'll go on to the next video to show you how to replace these amazing animations with updated ones.